Hello, my name is Marko Piirto. I'm the product manager for the punching machines. We have possibility to combine multiple work stages together with the punching. Today we want to demonstrate you how to use laser marking with the punching machines. This mobile grill is perfect example about practical needs for that. We can combine the marking straight to the plastic or through the plastic. This is what you are going to see today. Here we see ready sample parts with marking to the plastic and through the plastic.